ามมาพี่ซึมครับซึมเบิ้งอันนี้เบิ้งอันนี้8พี่38มาเบิ้งปุ๊บไป42
So right now I'm walking a random street in Bangkok near where my car is, on the hunt for some rear tyres. I think it's this place here. Yep, this is looking like it. Here we go. Here we go. It's very nice. This is great.
Thank you.
Look at the wide body, just like an M3. Now on the back, you've also got a wide body, just like an M3, but it's a 4-door. Whoops. So what we have here is a 1JZ with a humongous turbo capable of well over 1,000 horsepower, monster MSD coils. It's basically a 4-door M3 from hell. Just awesome. You gotta love Thailand. Some of the things they come up with is just brilliant. The brakes, the wide body. I mean, I own an M3, so I know that is just great. Stupendous. Just gotta finish mine, it's over there. Brembo. Yeah, I'm just gonna lift this. Yeah.
Focus on it.
Ooh, it's going to be beastly. Gonna be a monster. No more HKS. We are putting E20, which is 20% ethanol, which is the equivalent of like a 99 octane. Now, I was going to tune it for E85, but I've been told not to do it because, why was it? Oh, mostly because it involves increasing the boost and increasing the timing. It's a bit too aggressive, so in the interests of reliability, because I'm going high boost anyway, E20 will be fine. Oh no, I might change my mind. We'll see how we get on with the E20. I've upgraded the injectors as well. I think that's 750cc. Be interesting. Oh yeah, I've also got these white wheels. Look looking pretty. She sounds kind of crazy as well, but I'm going to change the exhaust. It's a bit too deep at the moment. I want something a bit higher pitch, plus I don't like this whole, yeah, you know what I mean, they bend down. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, yeah, that's fast. Holy shoot. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's really, really loud. I have to cover my ears. Just messing with the throttle cable. It's quite sticky. It was a problem when I got it. So he's just adjusting it. Look at all the space that's been freed up. I'd argue it's not as pretty now with the J-pipe used to be there, but it is cleaner, and you can see the turbo, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. If you know, you know. That's a HKS Gold, and that's the factory you see at the moment. We're using it as a piggyback, but it should be fully standalone. Yep, matches. Pretty sweet. At the moment we've got a few issues with the airflow. We can't seem to measure it. We've got the map and the math set up, but I'll figure it out.